Hi, welcome back. This is the third part of the video series of MCQ solution for the soil mechanics from the book of DAE Civil Technology. The link of part first and second is in the description part of this video. In MCQs number 1, it is given that in the result of compaction, the relieving element is option A is air, option B is water, option C is both air and water, and option D is none of these. Compaction is the process that brings about an increase in soil density or unit weight. In order to make the ground surface for development, that is buildings and roads, it is achieved due to the reduction of air voids. So the relieving elements in the case of compaction is air. In MCQs number 2, it is given that as a result of consolidation, the relieving element is option A is air, option B is water, option C is both air and water, and option D is none of these. As the consolidation is the process by which the solid particles are more closely packed together under the application of static loading. It is achieved through gradual drainage of water and air from the soil pores. So the relieving elements in consolidation is both air and water. In MCQs number 3, it is given that the number of layers of soil adopted in the standard proctor test is option A is 2, option B is 3, option C is 4, and option D is 5. The following table show the comparison of the standard proctor test and modified proctor test. Number 1 comparison is the number of layers to be compacted in the standard proctor test is 3, while in the modified proctor is 5. The weight of the hammer in standard proctor test is 5.5 pounds, while the weight of hammers in the case of modified proctor test is 10 pounds. The hammer falls from the height of 12 inches in the case of standard proctor test, while in the case of modified proctor test, the fall of hammer is 18 inches. So the number of layers of soil adopted in a standard proctor test is 3. In MCQs number 4, the number of layers of soil adopted in the modified proctor test is option D is correct, that is 5 layers. In MCQs number 5, weight of the hammer in case of standard proctor test is, as we have already seen the comparison of the both standard proctor test and modified proctor test, the weight of the hammer in case of standard proctor test is 5.5 pounds. In MCQs number 6, the weight of the hammer in case of modified proctor test is 10 pounds. In MCQs number 7, the drop fall of hammer in the case of standard proctor test is option B is correct, that is 12 inches. In MCQs number 8, drop fall of hammer in the case of modified proctor test is option D is correct, that is 18 inches. In MCQs number 9, the optimum moisture content for the compaction of various soil range is 2 to 4%, 4 to 8%, 8 to 12%, and 4 to 28%. Optimum moisture content is the water content at which the soil attains a maximum dry density. Maximum dry density is the dry density of soil corresponding to optimum moisture content. For various soil, its range is 4 to 28%. In MCQs number 10, method of determining the relative compaction for various soil range is option A is standard proctor test, option B is modified proctor test, option C is sand replacement, and option D is standard penetration test. So the sand replacement method is used to determine the relative compaction for various soil ranges.